Welcome to Tools Insider, your ultimate destination for everything related to tools and equipment. Are you looking for the best nailer for baseboards and trim? If your answer is yes, then this video is really very useful for you. There are lots of products available to choose nailer for baseboards and trim with different prices, benefits, and characteristics. I did hours of extensive research and read tons of reviews to compile a list of perfect products for you. I hope my research will help you to buy the right nailer for baseboards and trim. To check the updated price and other details of those products, check the links from the description box. Let's jump into the video without any further delay. Number 1. Porter Cable Cordless Brad Nailer Kit. As a woodworker, I'm sure you're familiar with Porter Cable, a well-known manufacturer for their quality products. But you might not know that they make absolutely fantastic nailers. I recently got my hands on their cordless brad nailer, and right off the bat, I was impressed by its sharp color contrasts and sleek design. Like any cordless nailer, it runs on a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, which provides ample power for the job. What sets this nailer apart is its ability to hold 18-gauge, GA, nails up to 2 inches long, and with the 4.0 Ah battery, it can fire 1,300 of these on a single charge. One of the things that Porter Cable prides itself on is the lightweight design of this nailer, making it easy to handle and maneuver. Of course, compared to a pneumatic alternative, it's still a bit heavier, but the convenience of not needing to lug around a compressor outweighs the extra weight. Porter Cable has also added some handy features to make this nailer user-friendly, such as a built-in flashlight that comes in handy in dimly lit areas. It also has a depth adjustment wheel and an LED indicator for the battery, so you always know how much power you have left. One of the best features of this nailer, especially for baseboards, is its speed. It's slightly faster than some air compressors, and it's a lot quieter too. Clearing a jam is a breeze, although I doubt you'll encounter this issue often. The only downsides I've noticed are that the warranty is limited to 3 years, which could be longer, and it doesn't come with a carrying case, which would have been a nice addition for portability. Overall, I'm impressed with this Porter Cable cordless brad nailer. It's a reliable and efficient tool perfect for my woodworking projects, and I would highly recommend it to anyone needing a high-quality nailer. Number 2. Numax SFN64 Pneumatic Finish Nailer. If you're in the market for a straightforward and affordable finish nailer that does the job without any hassle, look no further. The Numax Pneumatic Finish Nailer is a winner in my book. With its ability to shoot 16-gauge nails of up to 2½ inches in length, this nailer is perfect for baseboards, trim, panels, and light roofing work. Its basic design features an aluminum body that is lightweight and durable, although it may not win any style awards. One of the few fancy features it has is a tool-free depth adjustment dial, which makes it easy to set the desired nail depth. It also comes with a no-mar tip, which is handy for protecting finished baseboards from damage. Additionally, the quick jam release feature ensures you won't struggle with removing misfired nails and making a mess. However, one downside is that the driving power of this nailer may not be sufficient for thick hardwoods. Depending on the type of frame you're working on, you may need to turn up the compressor power to the maximum PSI of 110 to ensure proper nail penetration. It's worth mentioning that this nailer is not intended for professional use on a wide range of projects. It's best suited for DIY enthusiasts or small crafts where a reliable and affordable finish nailer is needed. If you're looking for a no-fuss finish nailer that offers good performance without breaking the bank, the Numax Pneumatic Nailer is a solid choice. It may not have all the bells and whistles of higher-end models, but it does the job for DIY or small-scale projects. Number 3. Metabo HPT Finish Nailer Kit. I know the importance of having a reliable and efficient baseboard nailer in my toolkit. I turned to the award-winning Metabo HPT Finish Nailer, specifically designed for trim work. One of the standout features of this nailer is its ability to hold 15 GA nails, which is the largest gauge available for finish nailers and arguably the best size for baseboards. The nails can be 1/4 inch to 2 1/2 inch long and are loaded into an angled cartridge, making it easy to access tight corners without obstructing my line of sight. The Metabo HPT Finish Nailer also comes with a convenient toolless depth adjustment dial, allowing me to easily set the desired nail depth for different types of wood and applications. This nailer excels in functionality and looks sleek and professional with its silver and black design, indicating its intended use for professionals. The trigger switch between sequential and contact firing is a handy feature that comes in useful depending on the project size I am working on. Another advantage of the Metabo HPT Finish Nailer is its impressive SI range, up to 120. This, combined with the 15 GA nails, ensures that the nails drive in without misfiring or failing to penetrate properly, regardless of the type of wood I am working with. While not the lightest nailer on the market, the Metabo HPT Finish Nailer is still relatively lightweight and easy to handle, making it suitable for extended periods of use. It also comes with a carrying case for convenient transportation and a generous 5-year warranty, providing peace of mind and assurance of its durability and performance. Number 4. Chemo 20V 18-gauge cordless brad nailer. I recently tried out the Chemo cordless brad nail gun for baseboards, and I must say, it delivered beyond my expectations. One of the standout features is its versatility, as it can hold 18 GA nails and staples ranging from 3/4 to 2 in length, making it suitable for baseboards that are less than 1 thick. What impressed me the most was the dual mode of operation, allowing me to choose between sequential or contact nailing. The rapid fire option was surprisingly useful, allowing me to fire up to 90 nails per minute, although I didn't need to go that fast for my baseboard project. The front-positioned LED lights also provided better visibility. The error indicator light on the side helped alert me to potential issues such as overheating, low battery, or running out of nails. The depth adjustment dial, conveniently positioned at the top, made it easy to adjust the nail depth according to my needs. However, I did notice that the nail gun was slightly heavy, weighing 6 pounds without the 20V lithium-ion battery. Nevertheless, the absence of a compressor and the inclusion of a belt hook made it manageable to carry around during extended use. Overall, I found the Chemo cordless brad nail gun to be a convenient option for baseboard and trim work, offering versatility in fastening options, dual mode of operation, and helpful features for improved functionality. Despite its slightly heavier weight, it provided the convenience of cordless operation without needing a compressor, making my baseboard installation project much more efficient and hassle-free. Number 5. Ryobi 320 Airstrike. As I sifted through the plethora of options in the nailer market, one product that caught my attention was the Ryobi Airstrike. At first glance, the main distinction seemed to be its use of an 18-volt lithium-ion battery instead of the more common 20V. However, upon closer inspection, I realized there was much more to this nailer than meets the eye. One standout feature of the Ryobi Airstrike is its impressive battery performance. With the ability to shoot up to 1,700 nails on a single charge, it outperforms many of its competitors in this regard. Additionally, this nailer can handle 18-gauge brad nails of up to 2 inches in length, offering versatility for different applications. The Ryobi Airstrike also boasts convenient features such as a toolless depth adjustment dial and an LED light, which ensure accurate nail placement every time. It also has a low nail indicator and a quick release jam, adding to its user-friendly design. Another notable feature is the option to choose between sequential or contact actuation, providing flexibility in nailing techniques. However, it's worth noting that the Ryobi Airstrike is heavier than other nailers on our list, ranking as the second heaviest. Nevertheless, including a belt clip helps with portability, and with time, I became accustomed to the size and weight. Plus, the nailer comes with a decent 3-year warranty, providing peace of mind regarding durability and reliability. So that's all about the video. To get helpful videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for quick notifications. If you need more information about those products, check the links from the description below. Please comments below if you have any query about this video. Thanks for watching.